Hi, I'm Dean Thedford. I'm with Royal Ranges, and today we're going to show you how to boil out your fryers. The first thing you do is make sure there's no filter media inside your filter tub. Once you've taken everything out of it, you slide your filter tub in place, and you can close the doors. We've put water in the vat, and we fill it to just about the fill line. You want to take your boil out compound, it could be a puck, it could be powder, and you drop that into the water. And then you enter the boil out mode. To enter the boil out mode, you turn the fryer on, hit the temp button, and then 212. And now it goes into boil. It's pre-programmed to boil for 30 minutes. At the end of 30 minutes, it will turn off and you're finished with it. We'll show you what you do in the meantime. Once you've added the boil out compound, you want to take your brush, then you want to scrub the sides, the back, and you want to scrub the heat exchanger too. Boil out compound, when it's added to the warm water, breaks down the carbon that builds up around your heat exchanger, and it makes your fryer perform more productively and efficiently for a long time. Once you've brushed everything from around the sides and cleaned the heat exchanger and your 30 minutes is up, you simply want to drain the water. Here's your drain valve. You open it a little bit at first. And once the water's puddled in your filter tub, then you open it the rest of the way. It just cuts down the splashing. While that's doing that, you can still take your brush, scrub the sides, scrub the back. Once everything's drained out of your fryer, you take your filter tub, you simply roll it over to your floor drain, lift it up, and dump all that water into your floor drain. Once you've drained all the water from the pot, there's still going to be some residual boil out compound in there that you'll need to rinse out. Now you'll close the drain, add water, put just a little bit of vinegar in there, and that'll clean up the residue. Once you put the vinegar in, then you can open the drain again and drain it all out. The important thing to remember here is once you've drained everything out of it, make sure you get all the water from inside the vat. And you'll do that by getting towels to wipe around the insides of the vat. Again, you want to get all the water out of the fryer.